Welcome to my education channel. This is the best channel to share, learn, and can be used as a media to teach your student. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Now we continue to learn about how to check guest laundry. What to do? Check room number. Check date and time. Check guest name. Check signature. Check special instruction. Service required. Checking the room number. Read the laundry list carefully and confirm the room number to ensure that the list is filled in correctly. If there is no room number, report immediately to laundry supervisor. Check date and time. Ensure the right date and time is written on the laundry list. Record the pickup time on the pickup form. Check guest name. Read the guest's name carefully and ensure that the right name corresponds to the right room number. Reconfirm with laundry order taker if unsure. Check for special instruction. Read the laundry list carefully and note the guest instruction. Make a mark on garment's tag and laundry list. Check each item of the guest laundry to make sure each condition of each item. If defects such as torn, stain, color faded, or any condition that required special attention found, take note and take a picture for backup. Notify guest that the garment needs a special attention and get the guest approval before proceeding. Please put the garment on hold until we get the approval from the guest, but proceed with the other garment for processing. Please note on laundry list any fabric that required any special care. Read from the care label which showing how to handle certain item. Check service required by guest, whether it is for laundry, dry cleaning or pressing only. Also check if the guest required a regular service or an express service. Send to laundry receiving area for further process. Question: what do we need to check before sending garment for washing? What are discrepancies? What is our laundry service type and time offered to guest? We will continue to our next session about marking guest laundry. Let us continue to the next session. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this channel. Thank you.